Sa programang Agapay Tatakro sa Rosal, tatalakayin ang sports injuries o mga pinsalang nangyayari habang may athletic activity o sports involvement. Pag-uusapan kung bakit hindi dapat pabayaan ang sports injuries dahil maaari itong lumala at magdulot ng permanenteng pinsala kapag mali ang paggamot.
Ngayong gabi, we will be talking about sports injuries, preventions, remedies, possible cures, no? Siyempre, importante po ito dahil araw-araw tayo gumagalaw.
Yes,
so, araw-araw is a chance yung para bang tayo ay magkaroon ng accidental fall, matapilok. These are very, very common. So, medyo hindi tayo overly heavy itong episode na ito, but just as important.
Pag sinabi kasi nating sports injuries, ito yung mga injuries that happened during an athletic activity. So it can be regardless of skills and intensity of the exercise or the activity. So kapag may involvement ng sports, or tatawag na siyang sports injury. So it can happen to your ligaments, bones, tendons, muscles. Yun yung mga common areas na, hindi, okay lang yan. Nagkaroon ako ng ganyan dati. Tinulog ko lang. Tapos bumalik na ako kahapon. Okay na ako. So ikaw, ano ba talaga to? O sige, gawin ko, tulog ako ngayon. Bukas, lalong lumala.
Grabe.
So, dun yung mga technical things that we have to watch out. Kasi if you're an athlete, you have this mentality to go and go and go. Comparing it to the casual na nag-exercise or go to the gym na parang, I feel pain, I feel sore, I will not go today.
And what is hilot exactly?
Hilot is a form of a massage, but historically speaking, kapag tinignan mo talaga yung hilot in a cultural perspective in the Philippines, para sila yung ancient doctors before the doctors.
Right.
So the disconnect here in the Philippines, from what I've noticed and based on my experience, is may attitude tayo mga Filipino na kapag mura, okay yan. Without knowing if this particular person or is really qualified to do that.
Yes.
Okay?
Mura nga ngayon. Kung alimbawa, mas maging malala,
Yes.
babayad ka rin naman ng somebody to fix it again.
So be careful of, advice ko sa mga tao is be careful of those people. Kasi once you get injured, wala kang habuling license, wala silang commitment sa'yo. So when you get injured, bahala ka sa sarili mo.
Makakasama ni William Tio mamayang gabi ang isang sports injury expert upang magbahagi ng tamang kaalaman sa pag-iwas sa first aid at wastong gamutan para sa mga atleta at aktibong Pilipino. Alas 8 po yan ng gabi bago ang PCSO Lottery Draw na magaganap naman ng 9 p.m.